Alright guys, well in this video I head out to the creek, and if you can't already tell by the title, well, it goes as planned. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was definitely good. It was a long grind out there, very cold, but it paid off. So here soon, I think tomorrow I will be heading out to the pond, and hopefully I can get a video out of that, and we'll just see. So be looking out for another video soon, and I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, day 2 out here, and it is day 2 on our quest to catch our first ever bass of 2021. Hopefully we can get on something today. I said the same thing yesterday and hooked into 2 fish. One was a carp and one was a very decent bass out of here to the right. It's more sunny today and hopefully we can get on them. Alright, I'm starting out with this strike hang bait. Just a trailer to a jig. Let's go! First bass of January, dude. First bass of 2021. Beautiful smallmouth bass. Let's go, dude. That is such a pale fish. Let me get my gloves off. Holy crap, dude. That's not a huge one. It's a great fish though. Very pale, very cold, beautiful fish, dude. I have not caught a bass in just about a month now. Look at that, dude. Let's go. Oh my goodness, dude. He's not huge, but he is a good fish. That is a beauty. Let's go, dude. Oh, this feels so good, dude. I have come out here so much, and I've gotten skunked so much, dude. All right, let's get this fish back. go. That just feels so good. That is such a relief. I've not caught a bass in so long. And 1, first fish on the new combo. 2, first fish of 2021. 3, first bass in a month. That is amazing. Let's go. Let's get back out there. Alright, well that will end it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a crazy one. Caught my first fish of 2021 and the first fish on that combo. So it's definitely tough out here. It is like, it's 31 degrees right now, so it's definitely a cold one. So it was a grind today, but it definitely paid off. And I don't really have much to say, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.